Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch on or to switch off the screen touches in the screen recorder application. So just go to the settings and scroll down with your finger to about the phone, tap there, and now keep tapping to the build number. And yes, can you see you are a developer now? So just tap here to the system and updates, and you can go to the developer options. So right now just scroll down with your finger and you will see here in input the show tabs. Just to activate that, tap on the switcher once. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher again, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.